Hello traders and welcome to a midweek update. Today it's 24th of April 2024. It's a Wednesday, so we decided to do those midweek updates here and there for you to catch up with what's going on in the market as we have set from the weekend. So let's roll the intro so you can see what do we have for each individual instrument. For the dollar index, we have said over the weekend that we have anyway anticipated a move to the downside, which has been taking place from yesterday. At the moment, the market is at an extension area, Fibonacci extension area over here. From here, in this specific case, we can expect some short-term bounces, something like that, and then we should fail to continue lower towards the end of the week and the beginning of next week before we might see a bounce later down the line. So the overall bias for the dollar index is towards the downside still until at least the next week. For the dollar yen is actually getting ready over here. We will have also some news from Bank of Japan on Friday regarding their interest rates and their meeting. So what we can expect in this one, very soon the market will react to it and is going to drop with 300 to 400 pips at least, I can say. So this is really a time factor whether this can start later from today or tomorrow or even on Friday. So overall, what they are doing over here, they are going to waste the time to continue doing something like this, and before you know it, this will be taking place in this market before any bounces or any other structures can form. So this is the main picture in terms of the dollar yen. So you shouldn't be looking for any buy setups at this stage because they are getting ready to move the market to the downside first. This is euro dollar. As we have said over the weekend, we expected this reaction to the upside to take place. From here, we can expect some consolidation pullbacks over here, and later we will see another push to the upside before we get another pullback and then continue higher. This is another Fibonacci extension area in which the buyers should defend the area and try to push the market to the upside before anything else can take place, perhaps retesting these highs over here from April the 10th. And we see how it goes later down the line. The pound, this was another buying area. We have said over the weekend we expected another push to the downside, which took place over here very clearly. And from there we explained that we expect the push to the upside to take place. The market has been moving exactly as we expected. And from here we have some consolidations for another push to the upside, then another pullback before we go higher. So again, the pound should also be retesting the highs from April the 10th before anything else may take place. So this is an up and down type of bounce corrective structure to the upside for now. This is pound yen. We have been explaining this sideways up and down price action over the weekend as well. The market pushed up once again because of the yen weakness. However, we can see that as far as we are below these highs as we have said from March, the market can consolidate and move to the downside when the dollar yen will do the move to the downside as well, and we'll see how it goes. Again, this is not recommended for trading. We don't recommend our traders to be trading this yen pairs as of now. If you want to also benefit from our service and get recommendations, feel free to check us out with the link in the description so we can help you out become a better trader with more well-informed decisions at the right time. EURUSD, we have been explaining over the weekend that we expected the market to start moving to the downside, which it has been exactly the case from the opening of the week. We can expect a small bounce over here before it moves to the downside again. So overall for EURUSD, we are also biased to the downside as well. For gold, we have got a 3-swing pullback. This is another Fibonacci extension area where buyers should try to push the market to the upside once again. So we will expect at least a retest of these highs over here in terms of gold. So not looking for sales, but only for possible buying opportunities in this one. SPX, the S&P 500 cash index, as we have said over the weekend, we expected the market to react higher. We also have some companies' earnings reported during the week, which can also support the market in a bigger way. So overall, we're expecting some small consolidation over here for another push up. The market, we explained, will at least minimum retest the highs from the 10th of April. Potentially from here, it can give us a correction for another high, and it's possible to make again new highs from here. However, the highest probability is to retest this area of 5,200 over here in the S&P 500 cash index. This is not the futures, this is the cash index, which is not 24 hours, so you can relate that to the ones that you are trading. Lastly, on the ETFs, for this video we are going to go through the ETFs, and we are not going to go through more instruments. It's just a midweek update. So for the ETFs, we have explained that the 3Qs expected also to make this push to the upside. Small consolidation here is possible, and then they should continue higher to at least this area over here, 440, and we see how it goes later down the line. And also GDX, the gold miners ETF, has made the 3-swing pullback similar to gold, and from here we should expect another push to the upside. It's very likely, or at minimum they should retest the highs over here before anything else can take place. So with that note, guys, thank you so much for watching another video. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, leave us a like and comment, and we will see you in the next video on Saturday for the weekend's market overview and forecast video. If you are interested in becoming a member and get more detailed analysis, because this is very brief, there is much more that we go through the member area for the members. Feel free to join us with the link in the description, and we will be happy to help you out make better decisions in your trading. So with that note, enjoy the rest of the week and see you on the weekend.